Interested in dragon boat racing events? One is coming up right here in Cebu with the first Cebu City Dragonboat Regatta. The Dragonboat race is hosted by Cebu City, the Philippine Dragonboat Federation, and the two-time Hong Kong Para-Dragonboat race winning PADS team.
We are very happy to be invited for this event. We are very happy to provide technical assistance for the May 4 to 5 Cebu City Dragonboat Regatta. And the Philippine Dragonboat Federation will be sending its licensed international race officials for this event to provide technical services to make sure that we will have fair and enjoyable, memorable race experience here in Cebu.
The race is open to all interested teams and has a racing distance of 200 meters. The race categories include Premier Open Small Boat, Premier Mixed Small Boat, Premier Women's Small Boat, Intercity Para-Dragon Championships Small Boat, Youth Mixed Small Boat, Youth Open Small Boat, and Youth Women's Small Boat. Cash prizes go up to 20,000 pesos with medals and trophies. A free shuttle service from the airport or pier will also be provided for arriving teams, along with free accommodations and group rate discounts for visiting teams outside Cebu City.
Because we believe that PDBF as a Dragon Boat Federation should cater not just to teams in Manila. We should be inclusive to have more teams from the provinces and solidify our national standing in the international Dragon Boat racing scene.
The entry fee will be 650 pesos per participant and 350 pesos for the Para-Dragon Boat racing teams. The profits from this event will go to funding the PADS team as they represent the Philippines in the 14th International Dragon Boat Federation World Championships in Thailand this August 20 to 26, 2019. 34 teams have already registered. You can still register before the race happens this May 4 to 5 at the coast of Il Curso Philinvest Life Malls. For details and inquiries, you can check out their Facebook page at Cebu City Dragonboat Regatta. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Ryan Guzman.